Tono? Monkey? Sana sa monkey.
Ito, kung ito, 33K. Si Mr. Storytime.
Han, Han, tingin ka lang dito. Eat! Han!
Yun, ano niya.
ChatGPT lang ba yung nagsasalita?
Hindi, hindi nagbabasa dito. Pero pwede mo pabasa, madali lang pabasa yun.
American accent dapat eh.
Madali ka lang pabasa. Nakita mo naman ginagawa ko yun, di ba? Yun. Kaso, imbis na ganyan, i-animate, papa-animate mo. Ay, hindi ko alam kung gaano ka, like, paano yung mga permission ng ganito.
Said big nut brown hair swinging him up over his head. I love you as high as I can hop. That little nut brown hair bouncing up and down.
Oo, mga ganun lang siya. Ito ngayon siya, mga 180K, 28, 500K ngayon siya. Konti lang nga yata yung ano yung video. Ano? Oo, bilang lang. 4 years ago, active siya.
So hindi na siya active. Eh baka hindi na siya kumita. Or may nag-report sa kanya, kaya naalis yung ano niya. Yung mga, may mga nanggaganon daw eh.
Baka, ano ng mga...
Copyright.
Oo, ng... Pero hindi ko alam kung paano eh. Like,
Attention all seniors, you can now get up to $50,000 for your funeral.
hindi daw pwede sa YouTube. Baka kasi hindi siya nagpa-partner pag gano'n. Kailangan mo mag-partner eh. Para kumita ka eh. Yung YouTube partner. Like, imbis parang yun yung sasabi na, alam ko yung mga requirements na kailangan makuha. Like 100K yung gano'n, 100 subscribers.
My girl set to take over the family business. I wasn't sure I don't need that in my desk. Heck, the price of a funeral can be $8,000.
We're just happy to have you back. Don't hold think about debts or anything like that. We'll find a way to cover it.
Now see, that's why I made a call and found out I'm eligible for $50,000 in my funeral and other family expenses.
We'll hold it.
Tingnan mo kung may worker si ChatGPT naman natin din.
No, there was no medical exam, and I was able to get coverage right over the phone. Plus, my benefits set up to be easy, and my coverage could never be canceled.
I'm glad you made that call.
Don't leave loved ones with your debt. Call 800-340-6391 now and see if you qualify for up to $50,000 for your funeral and other final expenses, starting at less than $1 a day. There's no medical exam, and you can be approved even if you have pre-existing pre-existing health conditions, your rates can never be increased, your benefits can never be decreased, and your coverage can never be canceled.
Pag ganito daw, kung gagawin ko daw, dapat mga public domain,
Now, there's no paper,
like
no
mga
hidden fees, and no waiting
book
period.
ng mga Cinderella, Little Red Riding Hood,
Ay, yung mga ano na, yung mga luma.
works by authors who died over 70 years ago.
That's 800-340-6391.
So, pwede